Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, before you hop into that bathroom, there's so many things that you got in there that you use on the daily, thinking that they help your grooming, but in reality, as a man, you should never put that near your body. Let's hop into this. 1, a bar of soap. I don't want to see it, all right? I think 95% of you probably use a bar of soap in your bathroom. You gotta get rid of that. First of all, if that's a shared bathroom, everybody's using that. It's kind of disgusting, right? Bacteria is building up on that thing. On top of that, it's really not that healthy for your skin, especially if that's what you're using for your face. Bro, forget about it. The irritation and the acne breakouts you're gonna have because of that thing, it's just not worth it. 2, a loofah. Many of you probably either use a loofah or some sort of physical scrub to shower in the bathroom. I never recommend these. See, especially those like airy, spongy scrubs, I guess they're called loofahs. Those are the worst because what ends up happening is all that dead skin that you're lifting up, it gets trapped inside that net. And then add mold and bacteria buildup because it never fully dries off. It's the worst thing that you can use to shower with on a daily basis. And I know for a fact that most of you will use that same loofah for over a year. So imagine just a year of dead skin and mold and bacteria just reproducing in there. It's disgusting. The best thing you can do is a small washcloth. Get a small washcloth. You can use it for about a week and then you just wash it. You put it in the washer and dryer, and every week you have a clean washcloth that won't trap in that dirt and bacteria. 3, any sort of 2-in-1, 3-in-1, 5-in-1, any-in-1. See, there is a reason why there are separate products for different tasks. I'll give you an example. Shampoo, the main goal with shampoo is to wash out, right? The main goal with conditioner is to add hydration in. There is no reason where you should have a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner of washing out and adding back in moisture because it just doesn't work that way, right? You're going to get an ineffective product. This is why as a grown man, you should have a shampoo. You should have a conditioner. And if you're a smart man, you check out my shampoo and conditioner. Yo, with He Grooming, we have a shampoo and conditioner that uses some of the best ingredients in the world, like tea tree oil and biotin, that basically thicken and reinforce your hair. Yo, these ingredients weren't cheap. We worked with our laboratory to design the best of the best, and we didn't stop there. We went to France, our fragrance house. We designed oils, high-end fragrance oils, so when you wash your head and you step out the shower, it smells like a high-end perfume. Look, I don't want to see a 2-in-1, so I'm going to hook you up. Today only, boys. Only today. If you guys buy the shampoo and conditioner as a bundle, not only have you made the right step forward for your grooming, I'm also going to throw in a full-size bottle of our body wash, our restorative body wash. This one is the expensive one. The ingredients that we use in this thing are super, super top of the line, and the scent matches the shampoo and conditioner. So you're basically going to get about a $40, $50 gift completely free. And again, this is only going to be for the next 24 hours, which means for those of you that are watching right now, if you click that link down below and use that special code and you buy the shampoo and conditioner, you're going to get that restorative body wash completely free. This offer will expire tomorrow, and the dope part is that if you live in the US, yo, free shipping, free returns. 4, anything with phthalates. See, phthalates, man, most of you don't know this, but almost anything that smells, your deodorant, your cheap body spray, even some shampoos, conditioners, even some toothpaste will contain phthalates. It depends on the brand, but the interesting part is that most big brands will hide phthalates inside of fragrance. So when you look at the ingredients, you won't see phthalates, but you'll see fragrance which could potentially have phthalates. So you'll have to do more research. The interesting part is that phthalates not only suppress testosterone production, but they also mimic or act as estrogen in the body. Basically, you are chopping your manhood in half every time you use this to groom yourself. This is why with He Grooming, you got nothing to worry about. I've been known this. So all my products, 0 phthalates. 5, a trimmer without a clip guard. And by the way, this is coming from the guy that owns Manscaped, bro. Like, I'm telling you, our trimmer at Manscaped has nick-proof technology, yes. But even myself, I don't trim myself without a clip guard. You think I'm a madman, right? I like precaution. That is my future generations. Why would I be so careless? I've told you before, when you use a trimmer, and I don't care what trimmer you're using, put a clip guard, even if it's the lowest one, right? Even if it's a half guard. What you're doing is you're adding space between the sharp teeth and your loose skin, especially in that area, to avoid nicks and cuts. 6, cheap fragrances. Any fragrance, usually, I'm saying usually, not all of them, under like 30 bucks, usually is just a high concentration of alcohol. You're usually getting 95, 98% alcohol and only like 3% oil, which is what smells. So this is why those cheap fragrances end up smelling super synthetic and never leave a good scent on you. And finally, number 7, any deodorant with aluminum. See, most deodorants use aluminum to plug up the sweat glands to avoid you from sweating. What ends up happening though is that you'll still sweat, and what happens when you mix moisture with a metal? It rusts. This is why your white shirts end up with those yellow rust-looking stains, because that's the aluminum mixing with your sweat and rusting. Boys, those are the 7 things you have in your bathroom you should stop using.